French music. 2 followers on TikTok and I think 2 followers on Instagram. Hey guys,
welcome back to our YouTube channel.
It's Goodness and Mercy
here again.
Yeah, so guys, quick OOTD. So we're not wearing anything serious, just this jersey top with this cargo pants. Yeah,
it's just giving police officers on duty.
The weather is so moody right now, it's really dull.
Yeah, so we are heading to the market, and I can't remember the last time we went to the market. I mean physically, because we just order our foodstuffs online.
Yeah, so we're like, today let's just go out and get some food stuff. I'll see you later.
Ciao.
Bye guys.
Take care.
Give me something I'm lucky. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me.
Oh my goodness, guys, we just got back from the market. Let me take off this scarf first. I am tired and I'm so exhausted. You guys, we got a lot of stuff from the market, and besides, Goodness is not here. Who can guess what she's doing right now? She's taking a shit. Yeah, you guys are supposed to know that about Goodness. Goodness can use stolen for Africa. Anyway, you guys, we have a lot. Let me just flip my camera so you guys can see it. We need to start unpacking right now because what? We got a lot of stuff. We got some frozen things that needs to be stored in the fridge and the freezer, by the way. And when we're carrying it upstairs, this fridge has actually been sitting here for only like 2 to 3 days now, and we've not opened it. In fact, I need to comment on our patience level. On a normal day, me and Goodness are gonna open that, but we're like, let's chill, let's be settled and show our YouTube. You see his nose marks. Are you joking?
Stop.
Oh yeah, let's go, please. We have a lot. Can you take off this cap? Let's see our face.
Stop.
Hi, kitty.
New French music.
Dinner, and I think it's like after 11 or to 12. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so exhausted. I'm not even joking at all. I'm even having a headache. I just can't wait to be on my bed. That's all I can think of right now. Yeah, and guys, we're gonna be using our hair fryer today for the very first time, and we are having bully and fish. Yeah, so fish. I'm so cool. Oh, fish. Let's see how it feels.
What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. No missionary getting boring. Can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing. You wish it was deeper than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the lion first. Lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby. God bless me. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane. God bless me. And if you wondered if I hate you, God help me.
Guess what I'm about to do, guys? We want to install our hair. Yeah, we're tired of carrying this hair, this all back like this. So we're like, you know what, let's just do this hair, let's just look nice and all that. And by the way, we're gonna be filming hair content for Instagram and TikTok. The plan is to carry the hair for like a couple of days, 3 to 4 days.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
We're trying edges for the first time. Like, we're not even cutting these edges, and it has been difficult, but yeah, we're still pushing on. We just don't want to give up. The last time we tried edges, I think like 2 years ago, and goodness, we were like, for now, I'm not going to do edges until we perfect our install. But here we are right now, and I think it's not as bad as them indeed, but another time we're going to try the one that we're going to cut it, but for now, we can't risk the hair. Had our bath and did our night skincare routine. Yeah, and we're about going to bed. But before we go to bed, we have some things to do. We just opened our new accounts on Instagram and on TikTok. They're just basically posting for hair content. Initially, why we started this YouTube is to be able to show you guys our lifestyle and be able to start lifestyle content. So we've already added an additional content, which is lifestyle. So on Instagram and on TikTok, on our main platform, we're going to be posting lifestyle content. Yes, and also fashion and beauty content. But that hair account is just strictly hair content. It has been difficult trying to get back, on our track, because like 2 to 3 months back, we always post daily. We post every day, so we want to try and start posting every day. I know it's going to be overwhelming, but yeah, consistency pays off. Honestly, it do pays. It's been a long time posting because the things that I've been posting few weeks back has just been ads on ads. Like this one is like us creating content that we love. Yeah, posting it. And you guys, this is our first lifestyle content, and I'm so shy. I'm not even joking. And I really hope that you guys are really going to enjoy this content. Yes. So right now we want to post. We also have some unedited clips from yesterday. So Guinness is going to be posting on the new hair page. I mean Instagram and TikTok. Yes. While I'm going to be posting on our main platform. Yeah. So it's 2 different contents actually. Do you get? You guys, we just have 6 followers on that new page. Followers on TikTok, and I think 2 followers on Instagram. Crazy, so it's basically starting from scratch. Starting out fresh, and it's crazy, like starting over again.
Done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
So much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, hey, and you can listen to me. Hey, hey, on the juice, got me tripping. Got the coupe, walk the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Guys, so this is how it turned out. It has finished, and this is just going to be like our working table. Like if we're going to respond to emails. We have a music trial on haul. Yeah, so a brand sent us one of their house. So let me show you that. Yeah, both of them they are sets. I don't know, but I think one comes with a band, right? And this one comes with insurance exactly. So let's try them out. This is how it looks on us. Yes, and it is super comfortable and stretchy. I think you know that was it's giving people's outfit.
Love me tender, love me jaja, love me jaja, love me tender, love me jaja, love me tender. Love me sugar, honey, but tender love.
So this is the second outfit. Yes, and the same thing too. The quality is very good and it's also stretchy. But the thing is that the straps are big, this big. I guess we have to like work out and include our serious videos. And also this is so perfect for working out. Yes, that's the thing. In fact, the reason why we did this was we need it for workouts and and another thing is that this top first is parents, anything. So we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
My sugar, my honey, my tender. Yeah, you are my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. My sugar, my honey, my tender lover. Why would you just open your mouth and say something?
My AI just changed.
So we've actually been creating content for some brands. Yeah, and it's been how many hours now? I think more than 6 hours. Yeah, but I know we are exhausted, but we're actually enjoying what we're doing. So let's just tell you guys. Yeah, so quick updates. We have this hair. Yeah, it's from Vlog. Yeah, and the thing is that you guys know that we already installed this hair, and to be honest, we are not feeling up to removing it this week. Yeah, so we want to show you guys something and how we are going to wear this week. which is going to even be easy for us because we don't need to start putting glue on our hair. We just need to secure this hair with a wig cap. Yes, and put a wig on.
Was the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller.
No, I'm not going to curse me. I'm tired now. Come on, wake up now. Let's do TikTok video.
Controller, yeah, like controller, controller, yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller.